Dilim? Sige, explore kayo, explore. Please ask for assistance. Igagano mo raw yung ano, ibabrush mo yung mga ano. Teka. Ma'am, pwede raw sila mag-brush mo. Yung pa ay isa pa. Okay, thank you.
Ate!
Go. Oh, gaya daw. Do not. Ito. Pwede nyo siyang i-brush. Huwag nyo tatapakan yun, okay? Sa side lang kayo. Masisira. Dito lang kayo, dito. Sa side. Oo, huwag nyo tatapakan to, okay? Sige, go. Brush. Kuha kayo ng brush nyo. Anong dinosaur ba yan? Lion daw yan, oh, lion. Check natin dito, Paris. Dito, oh. Dadan si ate, move. Tara. Oh. Wow. Ayan, oh. Human body. Human body. Fit yan, fit.
Sir, sayang naman.
Oo.
Give your things to your father.
Oh, dito, lagay niyo dito.
Thank you. Yurela, sir.
Hindi naman siguro mawawala yan.
Sir, yung data sa ba yan?
Hindi. Sige, go. Oh, sige, go. Thank you. Oh, sige. Remove your shoes. Wow! Lagay mo dyan, sige.
Did you know that Earth is the only planet known as from majestic mountains to vast oceans? Earth is a tapestry of ecosystem. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of our planet.
Pwede din ba ako humiga?
Now let's journey off to the red planet. With its misty surface and giant volcanoes, Mars has fascinated explorers for generations. Residential will be like with the possibility of future human exploration, Mars is a planet of endless intrigue. As we travel further, we encounter the mighty Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Its swirling storms and great red spot are truly awe-inspiring. Can you imagine a storm that's been raging for hundreds of years? Jupiter. Our next stop is the Sun. Where we'll uncover the amazing inventions and technologies that
Hi, Dad. What you doing in the ball pit? Huh? Dad, you want some help? Ah, you're so heavy, Dad.
Lamig ng bola. Malamig yung bola.
Next adventure. Our next stop is the Science Machines Room, where we'll uncover the amazing inventions and technologies that help us understand and explore the universe even more.
Muna tayo sa next. O, tara. Sana tayo, Paris. Hola, tara. Sino yan?
Showing us the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Take a moment to look around. Each of these scientists saw something remarkable in the ordinary and dared to ask why and how. They remind us that curiosity and perseverance can change.
Mga scientists.
Now, as we leave the Hall of Great Scientists, hold on to that sense of wonder and curiosity. Our next destination promises even more discoveries and endless inspiration. Ready to continue exploring? Let's go!
Sino yan? Darwin? Hola, move. Hola.
Get ready for some hands-on fun. Thank you for joining us in the Physics and Tech. Your exploration of science continues.
Anong nangyayari niyan? Parang
maglalabasan sila ng lakas. Palakasan sila.
Kala ko may ilaw.
Try natin. Hold the ball like this.
O, lahat daw, lahat. Ganun Paris, lahat.
Yan yung hawakan niya.
Ha?
Try niya sa hawakan.
Habang kuryente.
Hawakan niya na siya.
Na-static ako? Ano yan? Ganyan ba yan? Baya. Ito, ano to? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ba't may egg?
Have you ever wondered how roller coasters defy gravity, or how airplanes soar through the sky? Here you'll find interactive exhibits that demonstrate the principles of motion, force, and
Which ka daw, which?
Step inside and experience the thrill of acceleration and
Tara.
deceleration.
Wala yung tumataas yung buhok.
Learn about Newton's laws of motion. stars twinkling in the night sky.
Go.
Have you ever wondered if there
Shoes mo. Ganon mo, ganon. Ulo ko. May chicken ka pa, oh. Sa'yo to. Kaya mo na? Busog ka na?
The video niya pa. Are you videoing us?
Watch akong ano. Na-watch akong cartoons.
Ganyan cartoons.
Si Wawish walang kasama. Si Wawish walang kasama.
What?
Si Wawish walang kasama. Hello. Babay na kayo, babay na.
Bye. Bye.